Hey guys, we continue to see very nice entry points into the market. Despite the fact that we have witnessed a slight increase, many people are still very scared and do not understand what will happen next in this market. And this is our opportunity because while others are freaking out and selling their crypto even cheaper than they bought it a few months ago, we will be accumulating the best coins to make our millions at the peak of the bull market. Today, you will see the follow-up to my last video. This portfolio is designed to take advantage of as many narratives as possible and spread your investments in different directions to maximize your wealth. This drawdown is the last opportunity to buy back crypto on the cheap, so don't miss out on that one. But before we move on to our portfolio, I would like to clarify that this is only my own opinion and analysis of the market, so you should always do your own research and evaluate all the risks associated with investing. Personally, I have no doubt that AI is one of the biggest and most interesting cryptocurrency trends right now. I don't think I need to explain why. Absolutely everyone is trying to create their own cool and useful AI. From Apple to Nvidia, absolutely all market giants want a piece of this narrative. Even Grayscale has created its own fund to support really cool AI cryptocurrency coins. I suggest we start with the tokens included in this fund. So, the first token in the selection is Bitensur. It is a decentralized network that connects machine learning models from around the world into a single, global brain. Each model interacts like a neuron to process information and provide intelligent answers. The network's native token, TAO, serves several important functions. It rewards miners who provide computing resources and is used to manage the network. TAO also serves as a currency to pay for AI services on the network. By the way, a great example of the implementation of TAO technology is a trading bot. It was built on the TAO subnetwork and used to show good profit performance, but recently it stopped trading and went into the red. Nevertheless, this is a rather interesting case that can be turned into something more profitable and stable than it is now. At the moment, the market capitalization of Bitensur is $1.8 billion. But given the way this project is developing and the value it brings, we can see a capitalization of $40 billion by 2025. This means a potential growth of 20 times. And while we're on to the next token, let us know what you think of TAO. The next asset in this selection is a fairly well-known one, Near Protocol. Crypto old-timers are well aware of this project, which has been around for over 4 years. In fact, it appeared just before the start of the last bull market when Near's price reached as high as $20. Now I am interested in this project because it is one of the representatives of the AI field, and its CEO Ilya Polasukin is very active in promoting this narrative. Moreover, it is a very promising project for this cycle because it corresponds to many current narratives. It focuses on the synergy of the entire industry through its system, which they call BOSS, Blockchain Operating System. Therefore, for this bull market, I see at least a return to the old high, and to be more positive, I think it is quite realistic to reach $50 to $60 per one Near, which would be the approximate market cap of Solana. And the last of the AI projects will be Masa. At the time of making the video, the token price is 5 cents and the capitalization is $24 million. Masa is building the largest decentralized AI and LLM data network in the world. Users will be able to own, share, and earn from their data and computations to power AI applications. Of course, this idea is not new, and there are already some AI projects doing something similar, such as Theta Network. In general, Masa has a pretty good utility, with their analytics being used by projects like Near Protocol, Polygon, Injective, and the OKX cryptocurrency exchange. In addition, they have a separate line of business that actually helps in the early stages. Given the rather interesting and necessary technology, a cool list of partnerships, and very little token recognition, I can say with confidence that the project has really great potential. However, do not forget that not all tokens are in circulation, which can lead to a price drop. So you have to be careful with such assets, even with all the cool partnerships, technology, and all the other positive aspects.
3, 2, 1, fire!
The first meme coin in this selection is Nero. It just broke out a few weeks ago to a capitalization of $200 million, which is just a crazy result. What was the reason for this growth? A very strong community coming from the well-known Dogecoin. But why? It's very simple. It turned out that Nero is Doge's sister. The owner of the dog wrote about it on his social media. This is what led to such a crazy price increase in such a short time. At the time of recording this video, Nero is already traded on top decentralized and centralized exchanges. It has a pretty good marketing campaign and a team working on awareness of the token. I think that with the arrival of new information, we will see the whales who have been holding a bunch of Doge pour their wealth into Nero. It's hard to say what will happen next with this token because it's a meme coin, but I personally expect to see 1.5 to 2 billion in capitalization. And we move on to the next representative of this narrative. The next asset is one of the strongest memes on the Solana blockchain. Right now, Popcat has a huge following and is a great example of a meme coin that has withstood various downfalls and survived for over 9 months. Although it was created at a time when there were many coins on the market that did not survive more than a day. The main role here was played by the community and a great team that developed the project as much as possible. Right now, we can see a capitalization of $530 million. However, not long ago, we saw a capitalization of twice that. So I have no doubt about further growth when the market starts to show strength again. Unfortunately, we have already missed the bottom, but I think even the current price is a pretty good opportunity for investors. What do you think about the narrative of cats and meme coins? And now I want to talk about Ponky. I already talked about it on my channel, but unfortunately very few people saw the video. And it's a shame because then I was talking about Ponky almost at the beginning of his great journey. Right now you can see a screenshot from that video where the token costs only 6 cents. At the time of recording the current video, it is worth 25 cents, and at the maximum it was worth 70 cents, which is more than 10 times since my first video. So congratulations to all those who saw the first video and made a good bet. And for those who don't have this asset yet, I'll tell you about it real quick. It has a huge community that is formed around the meme frog that looks pretty funny. The project team is running a pretty good marketing campaign, and you can see the real interest in this asset by the crazy trading volumes. In general, the situation is the same as with Popcat. Unfortunately, we have already missed the bottom. However, if you look at the chart history, you can see that we have already been in a similar situation from which we flew to a new all-time high. So who knows? Maybe we will see similar events now. I have talked about 3 very promising meme coins, but I would like to make it clear that investing in such assets is quite risky, and you should understand that. However, I have tried to add as many safe options as possible because these memes have long since become good altcoins. The last 4 coins are some of the most exciting and useful ecosystem tokens. I chose the Ethereum and Solana blockchains because I believe they will be the most interesting in this bull cycle. I propose to start with Solana. The first project will be the native top 1 DEX token on the Solana blockchain, Jupiter. In general, DeFi DEX is a very important part of the market. In fact, it is the only way for crypto enthusiasts to remain anonymous when using various crypto assets. After all, with the help of decentralized platforms, you do not need to interact with various centralized exchanges. And I'm sure many of you have missed Uniswap and their Unicoin. So we all have the opportunity to go back in time and buy an even more promising token, the native token of the top DEX exchange on the Solana blockchain. Moreover, this is not just one of many similar projects, it is actually the top 1 decentralized exchange on this blockchain. In fact, this is a large and growing ecosystem. They are planning to create their own mobile application, have already created a launchpad, and introduced a DAO system on which Jupe token stakers can earn very well. Personally, I plan to see at least $4 to $5 per 1 Jupe, which I think will be the most reasonable price. And in the best case scenario, due to all the hype that the project team plans to create, we may see from 15 to 20. In addition, you will be able to stake the token and receive rewards from the platform itself, as well as additional commissions and other various benefits. And now I suggest we move on to the next token. No selection can be left without an RWA direction. So here I will mention Parkle. This is a pioneering RWA project on the Solana blockchain that is revolutionizing real estate investing through tokenization. Having recently launched its native PRCL token, Parcel offers the opportunity to earn money on staking by receiving a portion of the commission fees, and to influence the development of the platform through the governance mechanism. In general, the resource has attracted me to the opportunity to make money on the rise and fall of interest in real estate in various US cities, which is something new for cryptocurrencies. Strategic partnerships and technological innovation are already helping Parcel transform real estate investing, making it more digital and focused on the modern investor. In addition, there is a lot of interest from top funds in real-world assets, so I expect good growth in a bull market. At the moment, Parcel has a market capitalization of $20 million and about 15% of supply in circulation. Of course, 15% is very low, so don't forget the risks involved in investing in such assets. Nevertheless, I believe that this cap can grow to $2 billion by 2025. That is an impressive 100 times. And finally, let's move on to ecosystem tokens from the Ethereum blockchain. I'll start with the Ethereum name service, which I've talked about many times before, and we've already seen a lot of growth since I first mentioned it. However, I think there's an even bigger opportunity for this asset to grow. By the way, if you don't want to miss more tokens that have shown good growth, I recommend subscribing to the channel. As for the project, it has a lot of support from the founder of the Ethereum blockchain, who openly says that ENS has a useful utility and is one of the most successful non-profit projects in the entire market. I believe that in the future, the trend and the need to have your own Ethereum domain will become almost mandatory, so the popularity of the project and its utility will increase many times over. Therefore, if we talk about the potential, it seems to me that ENS will at least reach its old highs in the near future, and at the peak of the bull market, it is quite possible to see even higher prices. The final token in the selection is Pendle. Pendle Finance is a decentralized financial platform specializing in fixed income and income tokenization that operates on 4 blockchains simultaneously: Ethereum, Optimism, Binance Smart Chain, and Arbitrum. By the way, among all yield projects, Pendle Finance ranks first, absolutely leading in all indicators. And this is not surprising because now we can see a constant trend of staking and further restaking of Ethereum. Personally, I see the potential for further growth to the maximum market cap of Lido Finance. And in my opinion, the current price of Pendle is super attractive. What do you think of this project? Share in the comments. And that's all I got. I would like to remind you that this video is by no means financial advice. This is just my vision and thoughts on the market, so please always do your own research before investing and do it wisely. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the growth of coins. Thanks for watching, your Coin Post.